Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about class 10 civics chapter 1 power sharing. I will explain in parts so you can understand easily. In this block I will explain util Belgium complex ethnic composition. Power sharing, open the chapter. Power sharing. I will not explain this overview paragraph because in this any explanation is not there. So I will just read. Overview. With this chapter, we resume the tour of democracy that we started last year. We noted last year that in democracy, all power does not rest with any one organ of government. An intelligent sharing of power among legislature, executive, and judiciary is very important to the design of a democracy. In these and the text in the next two characters sorry in these and the next two chapters we carry this idea to power sharing forward. We start with two stories from Belgium and Sri Lanka. Both these stories are about the democracy handle demands for power sharing. The stories yield some general conclusion about the need of power sharing in democracy. This allows us to discuss various forms of power sharing that will be taken up in the following. So now we will be forwarded to Belgium story. Belgium and Sri Lanka, first they have given Belgium story, so we will read that. Belgium is very small country in Europe, small in area than the state of Haryana. The Haryana state is situated in India. The Belgium is a country which is smallest than the Haryana in area wise, and it has borders with Belgium has a borders with and France and Netherlands and Germany and Luxembourg. It has a population little over 1 crore. So maximum, minimum 1 crore, maximum 1 crore 100 something. And here it is given it is a half population of Haryana. So half population of Haryana you can calculate it by Google. Now next sentence. The ethnic composition of small country is very complex. The ethnic composition means the religion-wise composition is very complex in the small country. Of the country, total populations in the total population, 59% of population live in the Flemish region and speaks Dutch. The Dutch-speaking people were living in Flemish region, which was in the north of Belgium, and the another 40% people living in the Wallonia region and speaks French. The French-speaking people were living in the Wallonia, and Wallonia was in the south of Belgium, and the remaining 1% of Walloonians speaks German. In the capital city Brussels. In capital, the Belgium's capital is Brussels. In Brussels, there was opposite, like on the, it was opposite. French-speaking people were 80% and 20% of the Dutch-speaking. So today I will explain till here only. I will show you the next part from the majority to these countries. Okay, so I end here only.